welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you a sneak peek of a brand new subscription service from Ipsy. It's called Glam Bag Plus. I just heard about this. I just got this in the mail yesterday and I unboxed this and I'm like, this is the best box ever. So I want to share with you guys. I got a couple details about it through email, so I'm gonna go ahead, share with you guys this unboxing, let you guys know a little bit about it. It's not available yet, but it's gonna be available soon. So if you guys want to know a little bit more about this new subscription box from Ipsy, then just keep on watching. So Ipsy emailed me a couple days ago. They said they were sending a package. I had no idea what it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like a t-shirt or some cookies or something. I didn't even think it was gonna be makeup. I had no idea what it was gonna be. And then this showed up yesterday and I got this little letter. It says, "Hi Natalie, thanks for being part of the Ipsy fam. We hope you enjoy your sneak peek of Glam Bag Plus." And I'm like, this is kind of what I've been waiting for because this box is absolutely awesome. So let me show you guys like the details. It basically is kind of like a BoxyCharm. So it has like all of the details of the products, and then I'll give you guys just like an overview of what you see. This right here, Sunday Riley, I'm sold. And I did also watch Madison Miller did an unboxing of her box as well, and she did get all the same products. I was curious if she was gonna get the same products, completely different products. I don't know how that's gonna be the case like down the line once it releases, but let me let you guys know what I got through an email from Ipsy. It's gonna be $25 and just this alone is $65. So it's like comparable to BoxyCharm. When I got all these products, I didn't know how much this was gonna cost. I was thinking it was gonna be like $40, honestly, once you guys see all the products in here. And then it's $120 value or more. And then it comes with a makeup bag every quarter. So every third box, you're gonna get a little makeup bag, a more like luxury looking bag or deluxe bag compared to your regular Ipsy Glam bag. Like this bag, it's big. Here's my face for reference. This is a really nice makeup bag. It still says Ipsy on here. It just feels like a really nice quality. You can fit like your actual makeup in here, like brushes, full-size brushes, like a bunch of products in here. So this is awesome. And I like that it doesn't come every single box because I have so many Ipsy bags. I just end up like putting different things in them or putting them, like giving them to people and stuff. So I'm glad that that doesn't come every single quarter. And then this subscription is gonna be launching around October. They did give me a 6-month complimentary membership. It said it somewhere on here. Yeah, it said it on here. They're giving me a 6-month membership. If I keep getting boxes like this, I'm totally gonna renew it because I would go to Ulta and like buy all these things on their own once you guys see like all the products in here. So I think it's gonna be limited at first and then expand out to everyone. And then also you could customize your profile online like you do for your regular glam bag, like say what kind of hair type you have, your skin type, and like concerns and things like that. So that's really awesome. So let's just get into all the products. I'm like overwhelmed by this box. So first thing is from Tarte. It's a full-size blush. This retails for $29. I'm always used to getting like the minis, but this is a full size. I'm not sure if I want to swatch this because I don't know if I'm gonna keep this shade, but it's still like a very pretty shade. And I do like this formula. So $29 blush right there is just like worth the whole box in itself. And then next up we have the Soulja Janeiro Bumbum Cream. I've been wanting a full size of this. I'm trying to open up the packaging real quick, but I've been wanting a full size of this forever. I got a little mini in my BoxyCharm and I like use that only on like the rarest special occasion because it's so tiny, but now I have a full size. This is $45. This smell is the happiest smell in the world. Oh, I have to like open the little thing. I just love it. Yes. That smells like happiness. I love this smell. It's very tropical, like coconutty. It kind of reminds me of like the butter bronzer, and this is such like a thick, like rich cream. This is gonna be awesome to have a full size of this for the fall because right now it's super, super hot, so my skin's not as dry, but definitely for the fall time. I have this, love it. I already know that I love it. I'm so happy to have a full size. Like I'm almost like emotional about having a full size lotion right now because I've been wanting it forever, but not as emotional as I am about a Sunday Riley full-size product. This is the CEO Plus E Antioxidant Moisturizer. This is a $65 value. I'm so excited to try this out. I'm gonna try this out today. I just can't believe we're getting a full-size Sunday Riley skincare product. And this is definitely a ton of product. This will last me the rest of the year, and it smells like vitamin C. I got it all messy, but oh well. It smells like any kind of vitamin C lotion, like that really citrusy scent. I'm so excited about that. I am so happy. I love Sunday Riley products. I don't love paying for them, so to see that in a subscription box is totally amazing. Then this is what made me like excited too, is getting a full-size Morphe palette. And I've never seen Morphe in an Ipsy subscription. So here is what the palette looks like. I've already opened this and swatched some of the shades. One of the pans came out in shipping, but I pressed it back in. You can see which one is like a little bit messy, but this is just like a really pretty, it looks like the 35O without all those extra shades, basically. So this is just like a really pretty looking fall palette. It's part of like their new formula, repackaging, everything. I'm really excited to try that out. I swatched a bunch of shades because I was excited for the palette, and I think it's gonna be promising. And then lastly, we have a mascara from Bumbum. This is the lash mascara. I've tried out the, I think it's the Big T's mascara, and I really, really loved that one. I don't know if I've tried this one. I don't want to like put it on my lashes, but I'll show you guys what the wand looks like. So it's one of those like rubber wands that has like a little indent in the center, so it's like wispier on the outside. So this is a full-size mascara for $20, and then the Morphe palette was $15. So let me go ahead, let me calculate how much everything is and let you guys know the like actual value and worth of the box. All right, so the value of the box that I received is $174. That's awesome. I was so excited when I got this in the mail because of the Sunday Riley and the Janeiro cream. Like that made my week, honestly, because two things that I know that I like but are very, very pricey. I haven't tried out this specific product, but I just love Sunday Riley. So I was so excited about that. I've never seen products like this in a subscription box for $25. I was shocked when I found out it was gonna be $25. I'm like, this has to be like double the price of BoxyCharm because the products in here, like the brands in here are just awesome. So that is so cool. I'm really excited for it. So thank you so much to Ipsy for sending me this box. This video is not sponsored at all. It just showed up and I got excited about it, so I wanted to make a video about it, and I thought you guys would find it really interesting because I do love doing subscription unboxings. That's how I got into makeup. Ipsy is how I got into makeup 6 years ago. That's how long I've been subscribed to them, since they were my glam. So it's really cool to see them going in a new direction. They're still gonna have their regular glam bags, but this is just like a cool addition because I wanted a box like this from Ipsy. So I'm so excited for them, and I'm so excited to start getting this box and unboxing them on my channel. So let me know your thoughts about this. Let me know if you plan on subscribing once they do launch. It is going to be a monthly box and $25 for products that are really high-end and awesome, like really spot on trendy brands. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.